Hello. So in this video, I will be asking people for an Uber ride. But first of all, let's get out of the server. Yes, Ability Wars. Obby slap battles, finding things and people. Fling things and people. Fling things and people. I love flinging things. Flinging things. I'll bet they'll go on an adventure. Get it? Because of build a boat. Build a boat. Oh, build. Bro! What are the chances there's someone named Brandon in the server? And you guys know what my name is, right? It's Brandon. Bro. Okay, so glue. Glide. Glue. And bam, bam, bam. Da da da. Oops. Oopsie, doopsie, oopsie, doopsie, oopsie, doopsie, oopsie, doopsie. You've probably seen me do this in other videos, just like for side content. But this is gonna be like the main video. The main thing I'm doing in the video is doing this. Okay, so you know what's funny? One time I did in one of my videos, and then another guy just kept on saying, "Uber, Uber, Uber," right when I Ubered him. He's like, "Uber, Uber, Uber." Okay, wait. Free Uber. Free gold and okay, this is gonna be my logo, my slogan, and an Uber to the end. Okay, let's copy and paste that. Copy. Free gold and an Uber to the end. Free gold. Bro, let me type. Bam. Free gold and Uber to the end. Bro, I got stuck in his glue. Now I can't go anywhere without releasing glue blocks. Bro. But he just won't. Okay, so this is a possible way that I could just... Okay, now I'm free of his grasp. Okay. Can you be captain of my boats and I can be the guard? Okay. I'm not sure if he was asking me, but whatever. Free Uber. Free Uber and free gold and an Uber to the end. Free gold and Uber to the end. Free gold and an Uber to the end. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yes. Will be... Fly me. Okay. You're on it. But first of all, what the heck are those? I'm at your base. Waiting for the person. Fly me. Okay, I'm waiting. Bro, what the heck is wrong with this? Okay. So I heard this Brandon's over here. Bro, he's like literally riding the jets like a boss. Yes, this Brandon guy's the best. Big for stronger or small movement? Yes. Let's go. I got them both. Okay. This is funny. Okay. 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 Yes, we will just chill in this pool. Let me spawn a... Ella's ballin'. Okay. But where's the real guy? Lol. Lol. Oh, wait, shoot. I don't want to... Oh, shoot. Free golden Uber to the end. I'm going to go get ice cream. And you'll be the captain. Let me spawn the boat. Okay. Okay. But where'd your captain go? He went on a ride. He went on an Uber to the end. Bro, he got the chest first. Your friend? Okay, wait. Who even is this friend? I've never even heard of this friend. Oh, I know who this person is. Wait, which one is it? Oh, it's that guy. So if you haven't, oh wait, sorry, I didn't record while I was playing with this kid, but I friended him today, like earlier in the day. It was really fun because we were like doing some. I was like Ubering them to the end. Hi, JJ, JJ. Your friend JJ. Join the game. Okay. Okay. Then okay. So next of all, we're gonna get the white team guy. Okay, wait, where's Trex Girl? And where's JV2? JV2's on yellow team. I'm navigating. Bro, but yellow team's missing. Then where must he be? Free Uber to the end. Free golden Uber to the end. Free golden Uber to the end. Bro, this is funny. Okay, wait. I think this guy said he's gonna be AFK getting ice cream. So which means that guy's good. Bro, I just picked both of them up. And they're like, and then now, I'll bet if they're in the same room right now, one of them's telling the other, this is a legit ride. We're gonna be going to the end, baby. Oh, wait, what? Oh, wait, yeah, they're both in here. Bro, I heard. Whoops. I heard. Sorry. Wanna do again? Yes? It will cost 5 Robux. It will boost 5 Robux. JK. I don't know why I even said that. This is funny. Okay, so I got an idea. So what if I just like double decker my seats? Like what if I do like a couple? Actually, I think I can only actually even do one layer of seats. Okay. Oh, sheesh. Bro, free ticks. What does that even mean? Oh, wait, what? Huh? Wee. Wait, what? Lol. Where's Eliza girl? Yes, you're gonna be getting gold while you're AFK. I took her. Sucker. I got one of them. This is just funny. It's like she doesn't even know she's earning gold, yet she's earning gold. Tix has no value. What is that even? She died. Whoopsie doopsie. I made an oopsie. A miscalculation where I accidentally, sheesh. Okay. Bro, chill is just a joke. Bro. Hey. Okay, so let's try going to every single base to seeing what they have. Okay, so let's... Here first, I say... Okay, so red team's going to be out of this one, which means they ain't earning anything. Okay. Although I don't think she could have even claimed the chest, now that I think about it. Because how does an AFK person claim the chest? Okay. Free gold and an Uber to the... Bro, this is another one of those glitched people. Okay, so I'm just going to ignore green. Next one, Godzilla. Okay. Free gold and Uber to the end. Oh, looks like you need some help. But oops, I can't help you. because of COVID. I'm just like dragging people off. The sun is a deadly laser. So is your brain. I mean, it has one. Okay. Bam. Bam. Let's go. She sucks. He sucks. I just chopped off it. He just like died and I chopped off his corpse. Yay! Oh wait. No! I just yeeted him some more. He just died again. This is fun. I like torturing people for the rest of their lives. And then... yeah! Okay. What? Why can't I get him? Why can't I get the munchies? Yes. Yes. Muñeca. Give our company a chance. She just died for the 4th time. Give our company a chance. Company's chance. Give our company a chance. Bro, I feel like I'm just drowning people at this point. Okay. Yes. Got her again. This is funny. Okay. Your friend. Okay. One of my friends are at this plot right here. Okay. Whee! Bro, get him. Yes. Wait, what? Why doesn't my friend want to join? She actually knows that she's on this thing. It's hilarious how she knows that she's on this, but she's like, wee! This is fun! I think she got back from her ice cream. Only way. Oh no. It wedged her. We're both dead. Sometimes I wish that tornado biome wouldn't have existed. That's why the AFK method's just like so good. We got like 162 gold from flinging people into the world. Okay. How many people can actually be on a server? That's my question. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? I think. 7's max. Okay. Wait, what? I literally just got her. See it? Yep. She's on the boat. On the boat. Wait, if I get the 3rd person, this would be hilarious. Espresso. Join. You need to be on this. You need to be on the coaster. Bro, I'm just gonna take these 2. To the end. Uber to the end. Imagine if I just type my logo while I'm just like getting to the end. She's like, we know. Yes. Because you're literally taking it. Oh my. I swear, I would have died easily. Holy. What? Why can't I control this? Literally, why can't I control this? I literally can't control this. Wait, what? Are we just stuck here? Yay. Reset, we need to try. Okay, wanna try again? We're getting gold anyway. Lol. I'm getting like a bunch of people to go to my company. Actually, would you even call this a company at this point? I'd call this torture. Da 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 da. Okay. Hello. Okay. Get on. Yes, no! I just died! Where's the second girl? Okay, so I don't think there's any other people except for. Oh, is that her? No, I don't think so. After, I'm gonna say, you believe in me, don't you? Unlike your partner there. It would be hilarious. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, wait, what? GG. How? We just like literally went through the wind hurricane. Okay. What? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I got it first. I got it first. I got it first. Oh. I got it first. Sucker. Yes, yeah. No, type it. Okay, we got 219. Why does this person keep on joining the server then leaving? It's just like the weirdest thing ever. Sus behavior happening. Sus baka happening. Okay. Okay. Now let's try to go. Bro, this is so weird. Da, 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 da. Okay, so I think the more glue blocks, the more you can handle. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, wait, what? Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, wait, sheesh, I didn't even know. That was an accident. I'm gonna say, sorry, you sold out of tickets. Okay. Okay. So I think she's in the seat that might get us in bad trouble. Okay, so I can do the alien one, but the one after that's just like insanely hard. Cause like you don't know where it's gonna be. This one, oh sheesh. These are all luck. The alien and the tornado one are just luck. Bro, why'd she get out right here? She shouldn't do it like right there or she's gonna die. You should have waited. Sorry. Can't help. Let's do again. Bro. Ask. Okay. Bro. Which one was it? It's this one. Yep, this one. Accept. Wait. Can I even do it? I'm gonna request her. Okay. Huh. Weird. Let's see this. I'm not sure if they even know I'm filming them. Normally people, I would ask permission, but what do you know? I didn't. Whoops. By the way, I'm filming for my channel. Okay. Yes, get him, get him, get him. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Bro. What YouTube channel, bro? BL Cubed Gaming. I think this, knowing about the way he talks, he's like one of those kids like, bro, 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 bro. Never heard of that. Sounds good. Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh, shh. Oh, wait, what? What? Okay. 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 Bro! What did I tell you about that? What did I tell you about that? I enjoy saying the words free gold and an Uber to the end. I was filming a vid where I have to get 1 million gold. I never heard that sounds good. Yes! I have 150k so far, as you can see on the bottom. But now it's 152. Okay. Okay. I got an idea. Want to just use a AFK farm? This is literally what I'm gonna do. She's like, I want to do it 1,000 times. Yes, 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 I want to do it 1,000 times. Join my team. Okay, let's get it ready. Okay. Oh, okay. When you do, don't touch anything. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I go up here. And then... So I've recently been using a private server of one of my friends, although I don't know it. So it might be friends of friends. So... Okay. Bro, why do I get launched for every single time? Okay, so let's do this. Ice, 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 ice. Okay, so then I have to do collision off for this. Okay, she's gonna die, but then she's gonna get a huge surprise. How do you do that? You keep dying at that point. You keep dying at that point. That's the farm. You get about 18 gold every single time. It's pretty handy. Cool, right? I'm not sure if she even likes this. Not sure if she likes it. Okay, so Little Grizz. Do you like it or you don't want to die? Because some people, they're like, I don't really like this farm. You just keep on killing me. That's it. I don't get the gist of it. So that's why I'm asking her. Or you don't want to die. Okay, good. She's good with it. Like a bunch of other people. Like the Lil Grizz person. Sorry, what's his name? The JV2013. The JV2013 JJ. She did like it. Oh my gosh, I have 744. Cool, right? Oh, yeah. Oops. Oh my gosh. Okay. Almost to 1,000, I think that's what she's trying to say. So, if you're wondering how much these tools cost to do all this stuff, the measuring tape costs about 10k. This one costs about, I think, 7.5 or 15. I forget. This one cost about, I think, 7.5. This one might have cost 1,000, I'm not sure. The screwdriver costs about, I think, 3,000. Not sure. Again. But if I remember correctly, those are the prices. Yep, those are them. Okay. Yay, 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 yay. Yay, 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 yay. Yay. Why is her health like so little? Everybody has like such little health, but I don't know what's with my health. Like, what is that? Owned. I wish like in some games you can just like get the 2 times thing more than once if you want to. Ice. Okay. How is this? This. Which is this? Which is that? Which is all of this and that. I need more obsidian, honestly. So I'm going to check the obsidian out. Obsidian's 425, but if I get like 10 of it, ooh, pretty expensive. You know what? I'll do it. To get 500 blocks of obsidian. No, wait, this is gonna be funny. What? I'm basically bragging. Okay, 1,000. Almost there. I'm just bragging at this point. And yes, I do know it. Oh. Darn it. It just about 10 minutes left. And I totally spelled minute wrong. Okay. So let's see this. I am probably going to keep on this thing running, but besides that, bye.